Okay, so I finally got the chance to get a Paralympic village muffin, and now I'm gonna record myself eating it. It is a day old because I received it yesterday, and I kept it until today. So here you can see, I did microwave it, so it's a bit warm right now. And let's go for the first bite. Okay, it's very soft. There's almost no resistance when I bite down. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's not super sweet, as I heard from other people. Yeah. It's a bit sticky, like hard to swallow. I don't know if that's just because it's a day old. What? I got the juicy center, the liquidy center. Not bad, not bad. Okay. I can see why a lot of people like this. It is pretty good. I give it maybe a 7.5 out of 10. Right. It tastes good, but the consistency and the overall feel in the mouth is not what I usually think about when I'm eating a muffin. Yeah. It's very, it's not soggy, but it's like close to that. Okay, bye-bye.